Hello students, this is the fourth problem of block diagram reduction. In this problem, there is summing point and the branch point is nearer or one ahead, and then summing point and here the one more branch point. In this problem, first we have to concentrate. These two blocks comes in cascade when we are taking this ahead of this G4. When we are taking this ahead, this takeoff point ahead of G4, then it inverse with this H1. That gain G4 is inverse with this H1. I have written here, this is H1 divided by G4. I shifted this takeoff point to here. This becomes common. Now this entire is comes in the feedback form. That feedback block is reduced as G3 G4 divided by 1 plus, because here the sign is minus, 1 plus G3 into G4, and this G2 block I written here, and these two blocks are in cascade. These two blocks are in cascade. Now here this point we have to shift ahead of these two. It means these two cascade means G2 G3 G4 divided by 1 plus G3. This block becomes like this in single block, G2 G3 G4 divided by 1 plus G3 G4. Now I am shifting this point ahead of this gain. It means it comes here, and summing point will be remaining same, and feedback of this is H1 divided by G4. It will remains here. Now I am shifted this unity feedback gain ahead of this entire gain, means this gain is inverse to this. This is summing point, and the G1 block is here as it is, and now I am shifting this gain, this takeoff point ahead of this entire gain. It means it becomes inverse because it is unity feedback. It is inverse with this, means 1 plus G3 G4 divided by G2 G3 G4, and it will comes this here, common point. This is C, this is R, and minus plus, and this is plus minus. Now I am reducing this block, that is negative feedback. That negative feedback is reduced. I am showing here into a single block. Means the first gain is G2 G3 G4 divided by 1 plus G3 G4, and it is whole divided by H1 G4. H1 G4 means here it becomes H1, and here again one more G4. Now this block is reduced. Here is G1 and remaining summing point as it is. This is reduced already, and now this unity feedback, that is nothing but 1 plus G3 G4 divided by G2 G3 G4, and it is written here. This is R, this is C. Now these two are in cascade. and this is negative feedback. Then I simplify this first. G1, G2, G3, G4 divided by, inside I am written, that is H1 plus G3, G4, H1. This is becomes a single block, and here the feedback is G1, G2, G3, sorry, 1 plus G3, G4 divided by G2, G3, G4. This is R and C. Now simplify this unity feedback. It is written as this entire gain G1, G2, G3, G4 divided by H1 plus G3, G4, H1 whole divided by 1 plus, this will become is multiplied with this entire block G1, G2, G3, G4 divided by H1 plus G3, G4, H1 into of this one, that is 1 plus G3, G4 divided by G2, G3, G4. Simplify this. This is your transfer function. Thank you.